Is it time to buy or sell Summit Therapeutics PLC stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Summit Therapeutics PLC. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 16th of September, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 31st of May, 2024, our system has identified Summit Therapeutics PLC as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.43. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who followed our analysis would have experienced a remarkable gain of 239.44% since we initially designated Summit Therapeutics PLC as a buy candidate 74 days ago. This results in an average return of 3.24% each day since its classification as a buy candidate. The stock resides in the upper portion of a very broad and robust rising trend in the short term. This typically represents a promising selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back toward the lower segment of the trend can be anticipated. A breakthrough at the upper trend line at $32.14 would first signal a stronger rate of increase. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of 68.52% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between negative 22.63% and 83.73%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of 64.72% over the next 12 months, with a potential return spanning from negative 65.30% to 78.69%. This corresponds to a price range between $10.23 to $52.68 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Summit Therapeutics PLC highlights significant movements in the stock price, with a fluctuation of 17.96% between its highs and lows on Monday. On the last trading day, which was Monday, the 16th of September, 2024, the stock price of Summit Therapeutics PLC decreased by 7.67%, dropping from $31.93 to $29.48. During this trading session, the stock saw a range of fluctuation from a low of $28.73 to a high of $33.89. Over the past 2 weeks, the stock has experienced a notable gain of 127.12%. Interestingly, the trading volume also decreased on this day, which is considered a positive indicator, as volume typically follows the stock's movements. On that day, the trading volume fell by 10 million shares, with a total of 15 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $432.16 million. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded price of the stock was $33.89, while the lowest was $1.64. Currently, the price stands at 13.01%, or $4.41, below the 52-week high of $33.89, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Summit Therapeutics, trading under the symbol SMMT, has experienced a remarkable surge in its stock price, climbing over 769% year-to-date. This rally is largely driven by exceptional trial results for its lung cancer treatment, ivonescimab, which outperformed Merck's Keytruda in a Phase 3 trial. The strong clinical data not only backed the efficacy of ivonescimab, but also positioned Summit to capture substantial market share within the lucrative non-small cell lung cancer market. The company recently secured more than $200 million from investors, including its own executives, signaling strong confidence in its future. This influx of capital will bolster funding for ongoing studies and potential expansions into other cancer types, critical for long-term growth and product portfolio diversification. In the short term, the positive sentiment surrounding Summit's trial results and the stock's dramatic rise suggests strong bullish momentum, which could attract further institutional interest. However, as with any biotech firm, future volatility can be expected based on upcoming trial results and market reactions. Overall, the combination of successful clinical outcomes and solid financial backing positions Summit Therapeutics favorably in both near-term trading and long-term investment potential. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 9th of September, 2024, it was reported that Citigroup assigned SMMT a buy grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 3rd of September, 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright also assigned SMMT a buy grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 12th of August, 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright gave SMMT a buy grade with an initialize action. On Friday, the 19th of July, 2024, it was reported that Citigroup again assigned SMMT a buy grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 31st of May, 2024, it was reported that Citigroup continued to give SMMT a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Summit Therapeutics plc stock an overall strong sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also provide a strong sell rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for Summit Therapeutics plc. The Summit Therapeutics plc stock indicates buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these two averages, as the short-term average is above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is anticipated at $23.70 and $14.09. A decline below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been generated, which may affect the near-term developments. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, the 13th of September, 2024, and the stock has since declined by 7.67%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Notably, trading volume decreased alongside the price on the last trading day, which reduces overall risk as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots provided a sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger Bands signaled a buy opportunity 47 days ago. The short-term moving average suggested a buy signal 7 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average indicated a buy signal 28 days ago. The long-term moving average also pointed to a buy signal 76 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 208 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Summit Therapeutics plc. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $27.41 and $22.97. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this level is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this case, Summit Therapeutics plc finds support just below today's level at $27.41. If this is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $22.97 and $22.70. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicating high volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be at a very high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $5.16 between its highest and lowest points, which represents a percentage change of 17.96%. Over the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 19.56%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for Summit Therapeutics plc, let's briefly review some fundamental data that is essential for our analysis. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric evaluates a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can face challenging periods, often due to factors outside their control. Nevertheless, persistent negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 5th of November, 2024. Analyst consensus estimates currently stand at -7 cents. It is essential to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Summit Therapeutics plc. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Summit Therapeutics plc is at $31.93. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Summit Therapeutics plc faces its first support level at $27.41. If this support level remains intact, it could serve as a good entry point with the expectation of a rebound. The combined average rating for Summit Therapeutics plc from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 11th of September, 2024, Zangane Makam conducted an insider purchase of 44,052 shares of common stock. On the same day, Robert W. Duggan made an insider purchase of 3,326,991 shares of common stock. Additionally, on September 11th, 2024, Jeff Huber purchased 44,052 shares of common stock. On that same date, Manmeet Singh Soni also conducted an insider purchase of 44,052 shares of common stock. Finally, on September 11th, 2024, Bhaskar Anand made an insider purchase of 22,026 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is currently positive, with a ratio of approximately 98.462. In total, insiders acquired 578,364,862 shares and sold 805,495 shares in these last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $28.17, which represents a decline of 4.43%. This stock exhibits very high daily fluctuations, leading to a significantly increased risk. The 14-day relative strength index stands at 82, which further elevates this risk. Additionally, a sell signal has emerged from a pivot top identified 27 days ago. Is Summit Therapeutics plc stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance for Summit Therapeutics plc stock to perform well in the short term. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a hold or accumulate to a buy candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 17th of September, we expect Summit Therapeutics plc to open at $1.22 and start trading at $30.70. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Your investment choices should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.